Let's upcycle this old basic filing cabinet into a simple DIY desk. Start by finding a large piece of wood, smoothing it all out, and attaching it to the top of the filing cabinet. Then give it some desk legs, a fresh coat of paint, and you have a one-of-a-kind homemade desk. It's so stylish and functional. Thrift a large circular picture frame and grab some mirrored spray paint. Start by spraying water, then the mirrored spray paint for an antique effect. Then spray paint the back of the glass all black. Finish this clock off by painting on the numbers and adding a battery clock kit to the center. You've just created your own mirrored statement wall clock. Make your own designer-inspired lamp. Paint the whole thing white, then grab some Cricut sticker paper. This makes it so simple to add floral elements to your lamp, and the end result? This lamp looks straight out of a magazine. Found an old chair and want to give it new life? Remove the old cushion and then wrap it in fresh fabric. This is a super quick way to give your furniture an easy refresh. Let's upcycle a dresser into a charming kitchen island. Leave the drawers open for extra storage and function in the kitchen. Don't toss those old leggings. Instead, let's use them to DIY a pillow. Start by stuffing and sewing them closed. Then, take another and weave them together. You've just created a simple knotted throw pillow. Thrift a giant plastic bowl and paint it with black plaster for a farmhouse look. Then fill the bowl with old crumpled paper and cover the top with faux moss. Use plenty of hot glue to keep it all in place. Now you have a chic greenery centerpiece, perfect for your coffee table. Add painted embellishments to thrifted art for a modern and elevated twist. Then, display for a fun artwork wall with all your added creations. Repurpose an old glass-covered clock. Take it apart and turn it into a tall cloche display. Fill the center with florals for a totally unique end result. Give a basic chair an upgrade by cutting it in half. Then cover the seat with some fuzzy fabric. It's so cozy, cute, and totally customizable. Transform an old thrifted dresser into a stunning wine bar. Start by sanding down the whole thing to make it nice and smooth. Then let's replace the legs, paint, stain, and add some other embellishments. Now you have the perfect dining room piece for when you're entertaining. Stack a bowl on a candlestick for an easy succulent planter with some height. Turn some old bed frames into this one-of-a-kind porch bench. It's so sturdy and so stylish. Let's add personality to this seat by painting on a scenic landscape design. This one is specifically inspired by Bob Ross. What a simple way to make furniture one of a kind. Use spray paint and picture frames to create DIY mirrors in an affordable and easy way. Let's build a whimsical teacup wall with broken cups and plaster on an outdoor shutter for an easy garden display. Let's upgrade a thrifted lamp with some handmade clay accents. These small details will make a big impact. Give a window a dollar store glow up with some gems placed around in a custom monogram. Let's revamp a basic lamp with some stamped painted details. This creates a soft and artistic touch. And finally, let's make some adorable garden mushrooms from thrifted glassware and paint. These are perfect for my garden.